from this to this. Stay with us to show you how to do that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have faded or foggy, cloudy looking headlights, guys, on your car, we'll show you guys how to make them like brand new looking again, guys. Make sure you stay with us until the end. You will not be disappointed, guys. And we do consider that a permanent restoration, guys. And if you do one simple step every, let's say, 6 months to a year, your headlights will stay crystal clear all the time. As you know, guys, even if you buy brand new headlights and you do not maintain them, 3-4 years later, they start looking like that. Okay, this vehicle is only about 4 or 5 years old and you can see headlights are terrible on it, guys. So stay with us, guys. That's what we'll be doing. All the tools and parts that we use, you can find the links listed in the description of the video below. Let's start on it now. So in most cases, guys, okay, we are going to go ahead and open the hood of the vehicle. This is the headlight, okay, right here, guys, and let me show you how bad it is before we start. Okay, you can see, guys, that's terribly burned headlight on top. Okay, check it out how rough it is. So what we'll be doing now, guys, we need to get a painter's tape, okay, and we're going to cover if we have painted surfaces like bumpers, grills, hood or anything like that. In our case, we can open the hood, so that way, guys, okay, we don't need to worry about scratching the hood or anything like that. We're going to tape around it and you'll see what we'll be using for the next step, guys. Those headlights, okay, you can see they definitely have some yellowish tint to them. They're foggy, they're not crystal clear, and they're terribly burned on top, guys. Okay, you can see how bad that is. What do we need now, guys? Okay, we're going to need clear water, just clear water. Okay, sponge for sandpaper, and we're going to start, guys, okay, with the sandpaper now. Okay, let me show you what we need to use. We'll use a few different kinds of sandpaper, guys. Okay, the first one will be 800. You can, guys, check out, we found a great deal on sandpaper. You can find the link, guys, listed in the description of the video below. Get the sponge, get sandpaper, dip it in water and start sanding, guys. And sand back and forth, do not go in circle, guys. Back and forth. Check out that yellowish film that's coming off. Okay, that's the burned headlight, guys. Okay, you can see how terrible that thing is, right? So we need to, guys, sand that and make sure we get rid of it. Okay, check it out. This is, guys, yellowish burned headlight plastic. So you keep sanding now. It'll take you probably 3 to 5 minutes per headlight. You will learn when you need to stop. The more you practice, the better you get at it. But you just keep doing that until you make sure that you have only clear foam coming off. Okay, clear white foam instead of being yellowish. So we'll keep doing that, guys, for a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll show you what else we need to do. Okay, so we're almost ready with that now, guys. Okay, we need to rinse it off before we continue with the next step. Okay, perfect. Now it's going to be dull looking headlight, but that's perfectly fine. Next step, 1500, guys, sandpaper. Same thing, put it on the sponge, dip it in water, and we'll start sanding. Just go back and forth. What this sandpaper does, what's the difference? This one is way finer than the 800, so it's going to remove these scratches, guys, from the plastic, and it will make the scratches fine, okay, not so noticeable. And later we'll use even a third sandpaper, and we're going to be able to buff that thing and polish it real easy. Otherwise we will not be able to do that, guys. So you need to make sure that you go with that. Now if your headlights are not too bad, you can skip the first 2 steps and just go to the last one, but it will take you longer to sand with the last sandpaper. You can see how the foam started turning white. Okay, now this is white foam, this one was yellow foam. You can see how much different that thing is. Rinse it off again. Okay, and next, guys, 2000 sandpaper. Same thing, dip it in water and start sanding the headlight. Okay, you can see that thing will start looking even better, guys. You need to spend more time on that 2000. Why? Because the more you sand it with 2000, the easier it will be to polish, guys, and I'll explain what we'll be using here in a second. But it pretty much removes the scratches from the other sandpaper, so it will be you will not have any scratches left when you polish your headlight, guys. You will make it super crystal clear. So do that for a while, probably about 2 to 3 minutes per headlight. As you know, as you can see, probably we don't spend even so much time on the headlight now, but if you sand more, it will get even better with that 2000 sandpaper. When you're done, you need to rinse it off. Okay, just rinse it. And you can see even our water turned yellowish from the burnt plastic. We're going to remove all the tape now. Okay, and we're going to dry everything. You will notice now, guys, that everything will, okay, that whole light, the headlight will turn super foggy, super faded, okay, not crystal clear at all. But don't panic, we're almost there, and we'll show you what needs to be done. So next, guys, okay, we have the polisher right here. You can find, guys, where we get our tools and parts from. You can find that in the description of the video below. We'll get a rubbing compound, okay, buffing pad, install it on the polisher, and now we'll be using, guys, a scratch repair wax, okay, by Turtle Wax right here. This is amazing product, guys. So we're going to go ahead, okay, apply a thin amount. Okay, always use gloves, guys. We should use gloves. Okay, and the headlight will be super dry, so it will absorb quite a bit of it. Okay, like that. And it's very important when you start sanding, guys, not to stand too long at one spot. Why? Because if you stay too much at one spot, you can burn your plastic, guys. This is a plastic headlight that you will burn if you're not careful. So let me go ahead and show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing now and how we're just a few steps away from turning that headlight into a brand new looking headlight now, guys. So I'm going to plug the polisher, and this one I'll adjust it to about 1900 RPMs. And what we will do, guys, okay, we're going to put one more coat of that wax. Why? Because, guys, first time it was super dry, second time, okay, it's going to make things even better. So thinner coat now, not as much, just a little bit less than what we did before will be enough, guys. And you can see that's a pretty good size headlight too, it's pretty big. So let's go ahead, do that now. Next, guys, okay, we're almost ready, but not yet. Okay, we need to do a little bit more. You can see it started looking way better so far, right? Now we need to go ahead, okay, and change our pad, and we'll need to get a tool for that. This is a rubbing compound buffing pad. This is more coarse and it doesn't polish as good as the other one. It just removes the scratches, but for polishing you need to use a soft pad. And you can find, guys, again, we'll have all that listed in the description of the video below where you can get yours from. So check it out now, guys. Okay, we're going to get this one, install it, and next step, guys, okay, we'll be using, okay, Glossworks by Chemical, guys. This is simply amazing, guys, so I'll definitely recommend that one. We use it for polishing our paint as well on the car. It works amazing, and with one bottle. We probably done more than 20 headlights, and we've done 2 cars so far. So you can see it's blue in color, bluish green, kind of. Really depends on the light. And we're going to apply a thin amount. Okay, thin amount like that. You can do 2 coats if you want to. We'll see how it turns out after the first one and see if we need to do anything else. Okay, so we're almost there now. Let me grab the polisher again. Turn it on. Don't stay too long in one spot. Now let us show you guys what else we are going to do. We just wiped that thing, and I want to show you guys the end result. Crystal clear, brand new looking headlight. You can even read the Ford logo on the inside. Amazing, guys. It made it like brand new in no time. It's still a little bit, okay, it's still a little bit greasy from the wax, but after one wash, all that will go away and it will look even better. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.